Hello everyone, welcome to Light Expertise. I'm Dr. Saudamini Sinha, and today we have with us Ayesha. Hi Ayesha, welcome to Light Expertise and congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Thank you so much. First of all, I will like to thank Ms. Harika and Sir Arif, who did a lot of hard work for us, especially Ms. Harika. In our last 2 days classes, she did a lot of hard work. She was like from morning till evening with us without taking any mail. She was not allowing even us to take any mail. She was saying us just study, just study. It was very good experience with elite expertise, and I will recommend my all fellows. Actually, I'm from Pakistan, so my university fellow are also eagerly to take KAPS exam. So I'll recommend them to study from elite expertise, and I'm feeling very blessed because 1 week or 2 weeks before the exam, I was like, I am unable to take that exam. I was just quitting, but my husband encouraged me too much. He said, "You will pass it." And then Miss Harika encouraged us too much. She was always saying, "You can pass, you can do it, you can do it." Then I encouraged myself to, then I opt for doing it. It was very good experience with them.
Okay, so what is your educational background? Like, where did you complete your B Farm, M Farm, and everything?
No, I am a PharmD student. I completed my PharmD in 2024 January. I am fresh student. Actually, I joined Elliot Expertise in July, but I could not take that exam because of my assessment. But now this time, I joined it and I take November batch. And secondly, my PharmD is from Shifa Tamir Millet University, Islamabad, from Pakistan. From there, I studied, and my education is only PharmD.
Okay, so why did you choose Australia and how did you come in contact with Light Expertise?
Actually, my husband is living there in Australia, and he searched about you online, and I also searched about you. We have decided to do that preparation from Elite Expertise. Actually, there were many other platforms showing on online, but your passing rate was very good. I just remember it was about 95% passing rate. So it was hard to trust someone online, but they were very good. They, Miss Harika and Sir Arif, they proved me wrong. They were very good. They were very genius, and I don't know in my past studies, I studied that much eagerly as with them because their teaching method was very good. They were like simple, small things. They were helping us to understand them and to apply concepts, and everything was like very easy. Before them, when I heard about CAPS, it was looking very difficult, and I was thinking that it is impossible that I can do it. But they helped us too much, and they make that test a very small piece of paper, you can say. You have to hard work, but after that hard work, your teachers should be best, and they are the best ones.
Yes, no doubt about it. They are the best. And so, how many hours did you study, and then how much time duration you completed your CAPS preparation?
I completed it in 1 month only, and I studied for 10 to 12 hours. I didn't know what is around me and where I am. I was only studying 10 to 12 hours. In that 10 to 12 hours, there were 3 to 4 hours classes of ma'ams and Sir Arif's class. After that, I have to study for 10 to 12 hours mostly. And it was not a single day I didn't study. It was not a single day. I studied consistently every day, 10 to 12 hours.
So, what was your strategy? Like for 10 to 12 hours you study. So, how did you divide everything and like what strategy did you use to clear your exam?
In start, ma'am was always there to guide us how to study, and there were some other uh, uh, past students of elite expertise. They also were there to tell us about how to study. Then, but there's always a unique thing in everyone's mind that how I can study. Then in that 10 to 12 hours, I mostly repeat Sir Arif's and ma'am's lectures. And then after that, I do calculations for 2 to 3 hours daily that ma'am asked us to do. And then I used to do 3 to 4 mocks daily. That is very essential because my paper also include mocks questions too. There were many mocks questions, and there were many questions from Sir Arif's and ma'am's lectures.
Okay. So, do you have anything for our future pharmacists? How would you like to motivate them?
This Australia is the best country to do as to work as a pharmacist. So I will recommend all other pharmacists to come here to Elite Expertise and join them and pass your caps. And after that, I'll also recommend them to do their preparations of internies with them also, because I have heard that their passing rate is also very good. And during our class too, ma'am was always saying there's paper of internies and I have to go. They are somewhat anxious about their paper, so I have to make them feel good. There's nothing wrong with them, but they are somewhat anxious how they can pass, but they passed. And from that experience, I have learned that they are the good teachers for internees also.
Okay, last question for you. Since your husband
Okay.
has introduced you to Elite, watching on like Google, and even you Googled about Elite expertise, and you also had a doubt that seeing the doubt percentage, seeing online, it is a bit doubtful. But now, since you
Yes.
were with us in this Elite expertise family, what is your experience, your personal emotions for Elite?
Um, Actually, Ma'am Harika and Sir Arif both are very honest about their students and about the money we spent. They both are very honest about it. Uh, Obviously, whenever I had to read the comments from your reviews from your elite expertise, it was hard to trust them because students were saying this is very good, and it was unbelievable. And now my experience is that it is really unbelievable. They are very good. They are incredible teachers I have ever met in my future and past studies. They are very good teachers.
Okay, thank you so much, Aisha, and all the very best for your future. We hope to see you soon in Australia, becoming a permanent registered pharmacist. Thank you.
Okay, thank you,
All the very
Inshallah.
best. Bye bye. Take care.